Here we are, people, 7335 Royal Circle. This house has been totally redone, and it is fantastic inside. Let's take a look. Big double doors. Comes into the living room area. And then over here you have the dining area. Great looking open space. Goes into the kitchen. Great looking kitchen. Another dining area. Double oven. On this end you have the redone laundry room. Outstanding. Here you have a bedroom, bathroom, and closet. That goes into the double car garage. Pantry. Back to the dining area. Let's go down here and see the bedrooms. You have one bedroom on one end of the house. You have a second bedroom here. Jack and Jill bathroom. Into the third bedroom. And then here we are back at the main hall. This is the main bedroom. Great lighting. Looks out into a great backyard. Big, beautiful oak trees. And then here's the main bathroom. Big walk-in closet. One vanity, the water closet. Tub and shower. Truly a great looking property. Original hardwood floors. But I gotta take you up and show you the secret room. It's this room. Let's go up and take a look. Spiral staircase goes into a fantastic study area. Has another patio out there. You can make this a bonus room. You can make it an office. You can do whatever you wanted to with it. Great looking house. Let me know if you want to see it.